Welcome to today's explainer. Look, if you've ever felt that absolute sheer panic of trying to hunt down official software online without accidentally clicking some sketchy virus-loaded download button, well, you are definitely in the right place. Still using cracked software? It might seem free today, but it can literally cost you your files, your privacy, and your peace of mind tomorrow. So today, we're unpacking exactly how modern, verified digital storefronts actually operate. We're going to see how you can navigate them to secure genuine, safe tools for your devices. And we're doing that by analyzing a real-world example right from the Daraz platform, the HiFi Techno Hub. All right, let's dive right into Section 1. Welcome to the HiFi Techno Software Hub. 100%. Right out of the gate, that is a number you want to see. Seriously, in the literal Wild West of digital software, where buyers are, understandably, super paranoid about what they're actually downloading, having a flawless seller rating is a massive indicator of credibility. This store is steadily building an audience with its 127 followers, which proves that in this space, trust is absolutely your biggest currency. It tells us, point blank, that customers are receiving exactly what they pay for. No nasty malware, no fake activators, just the real deal. Moving right along to Section 2, Official Software Offerings. Now, take a look at the phrasing used here, original digital download. I mean, we're thankfully way past the days of waiting weeks for a clunky physical CD-ROM to arrive in the mail, right? This phrase highlights the modern delivery method, instant access straight to your device. But more importantly, it heavily emphasizes the word original to assure buyers that they aren't getting some cracked, compromised key that's going to crash their system or steal their data. It's all about total peace of mind. And this breakdown perfectly illustrates the two dominant business models in software today. On one hand, you've got your one-year subscription models for essential tools like Adobe Creative Cloud and McAfee Total Protection, which come with official warranties and multi-device support. And then, on the flip side, Microsoft Office 2024 is offered as a lifetime license key. It's a one-and-done investment. It just goes to show how verified stores cater to literally everyone, whether you have recurring professional needs or just want a one-time consumer purchase. Plus, check out those significant discounts. You're getting better performance, official security updates, and long-term savings. So what happens after you hit buy? Let's get into Section 3, Daraz Customer Support Features. You know, when you buy a digital key, you absolutely need to know what happens if the code just doesn't work. Well, this right here is your e-commerce safety net. It's not just basic customer care we're talking about. It includes secure email delivery tracking, secure payment management, and a dedicated no-nonsense returns and refunds process. There's even a streamlined avenue for corporate bulk purchasing if you're outfitting a whole team. It's an entire ecosystem designed literally from the ground up to completely remove the anxiety from digital transactions. But wait, it goes beyond just localized support. This safety net is backed by overarching purchase protection and fully verified digital payments. And because Daraz operates with a verified international reach across Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Nepal, well, to put that into perspective, that massive multinational infrastructure essentially acts as a gigantic trust signal for the storefronts operating within it. You are securely covered. The platform's sign-off is a simple, happy shopping. But honestly, it represents a massive shift in e-commerce. By combining perfect seller ratings, instant authentic downloads, and multinational purchase protection, the friction and the fear of buying software is completely gone. So I'll leave you with this final thought. If verified, incredibly secure ecosystems like this actually exist right at our fingertips, is there really any excuse left for risking your expensive hardware on unverified, sketchy software downloads? Protect your devices, stay safe, and thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.